Jarrod Norris here with the Whissel Realty Group, and I want to let you know about this amazing townhome that was just listed. Located in the heart of North Park, 4230 Illinois Street has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a 2-car garage. It is within 2 to 3 blocks from a park, restaurants, bars, breweries such as Rip Current, Barn, Pariah, a hard kombucha spot called Juneshine, and of course one of my favorites, Belching Beaver, just to name a few. Less than 10 minutes from downtown and not far from the beach, this location is hard to pass up. Take a look and let me know what you think. If you are interested or know anyone who's interested, reach out to me at 619-206-8156.